Greetings fam. Imagine you've got a small but mighty workstation on your desk or in your workshop. A single machine that can laser engrave, cut with a blade, draw or write with a pen, and even inkjet print. That's the vibe with xTool M1 Ultra, and after digging through specs, expert reviews and user feedback, I'm here to give you a clear, honest breakdown so you know what it really brings to the table, and where it's limited. Here's what the M1 Ultra really is. This is a 4-in-1 craft machine, combining a diode laser engraver, cutter, blade cutting module, pen drawing module, and optional inkjet printing module, if bundled, all in one compact enclosure. The working area is roughly 300 x 300 mm, approximately 11.8 inches x 11.8, for laser, blade, or pen operations. Inkjet printing works in a similar but slightly smaller area. The machine aims to give makers, crafters, and small projects a one-tool flexibility instead of needing multiple separate devices. On performance, the laser module, 10W diode, upgradable in some bundles, handles engraving and cutting on a range of materials: wood, leather, MDF, some acrylics, opaque, dark, paper, cardboard, fabric, and some coated metals, for engraving, not cutting. For example, cutting basswood up to approximately 6 mm thick, with 10W, or deeper with stronger laser, upgrade, enough for thin sheets, small projects, decorative pieces, and craft-style woodworking. Blade cutting and pen, inkjet modes expand your capability further, letting you cut vinyl, cardstock, fabric or do drawings, prints, or fine cuts, drawings. From a usability and convenience standpoint, this machine has a lot going for it. Its desktop-sized, compact footprint, and relatively beginner-friendly compared with full-size laser shops. The enclosure includes safety features, lid interlock, enclosed laser path, which adds a layer of safety for home use. The software, typically xTool Creative Space, or compatible alternatives, supports common file formats, SVG, PNG, DXF, JPG, good for custom designs, DIY projects, and small batch creation. If you're a crafter, small business maker, or hobbyist wanting a compact but versatile tool for sign making, custom gifts, prototyping, or small woodwork, this M1 Ultra brings a lot in a small package. That said, let's get real about the limitations, the honest 8th paragraph. First, for certain tasks, like cutting thick material, heavy-duty acrylic, or metals, the M1 Ultra will struggle. Its laser, being a diode, is weaker than carbon dioxide lasers or higher power cutters, so transparent acrylics, thick wood slabs, or full metal cutting are generally out of scope. Also, while the all-in-one nature is appealing, some of the modes, particularly inkjet printing and pen drawing, seem less refined than a dedicated printer or plotter. Print quality, especially on non-ideal surfaces, is often described as modest, or good enough for craft use but not professional print quality. So, is the xTool M1 Ultra worth buying? My honest verdict: yes, if you are a maker, crafter, small business DIYer, or hobbyist who values flexibility, wants a do-it-all tool for small to medium projects, and works within the machine's limits. It's especially worth it if you want versatility, engraving, cutting, drawing, printing, in a compact, home-friendly package and don't need industrial-grade cutting power. On the other hand, if you expect heavy-duty cutting, thick hardwood, large metal pieces, professional-grade print quality, or high-volume output, you'll probably outgrow it or find it frustrating. In short, after researching specs, reviews and feedback, the xTool M1 Ultra stands out as a highly flexible, creative, and compact crafting workstation, ideal for makers, crafter entrepreneurs, or hobbyists who value range over specialization. If that matches your needs, it's a strong choice.